Adding a credit card to your N26 account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully link your credit card. Step 1. Open the N26 app. Launch the N26 mobile application on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the Account or Settings tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find the option labeled Payment Methods or Cards. Click on this option to proceed to the section where you can manage your cards. Step 4. Add a new card. Look for an option that says Add Card or Link a New Card. Tap on it and you will be prompted to enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you can use your credit card with your N26 account. If you encounter any issues, consult the N26 Help Center for assistance.